Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial River. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Today we're going to show you one of the most important functions in Microsoft Excel. This is VLOOKUP function. It is also called vertical lookup. Let's start. For vertical lookup function or VLOOKUP function, we already create a employee table. Here you can see ID, name and department and their salaries. We actually want that where we are going to input the ID and name, department and salary will be the output automatically. For this we are using vertical lookup or VLOOKUP function. First of all, we are going to work with name column. For this we are inputting equal, then VLOOKUP, press tab. Here you can see that lookup value, for which value you are looking for. We are looking for this ID value, so we are selecting ID, then put a comma, then table array, from which table you want to get the data. Here is the table. We are selecting this table and then enter a comma, then column index. Which column did you want to get? Here we first column is ID, second column is name. So we want name column. So we are putting 2, then comma, then we are approximate or exact match. Where we want exact match. Click here, then enter. That's it. Now you input a value like 205. This is the ID of Peter. Click enter. Look, name already came here. Now let's do it for department. Same as name. Press equal, then VLOOKUP, then lookup value. This is a lookup value. Then comma, then table array. This is the table array. Then comma. We are expecting the department value, so we are putting 3 here. Then comma. Then we are expecting exact match. We're putting exact match. This is marketing. Here you can see Peter is under marketing department. Now let's work with salary column. Here enter equal, then VLOOKUP, tab, and lookup value. This is our lookup value. Then comma, then table array, then comma again. Then we are expecting salary value, so we are putting 4. Then comma again. Then we are expecting exact match, and then enter. That's it. Here you can see that we are just putting 2205 ID, then we are getting automatic result of Peter, who is under marketing department and whose salary is 30,000 taka or $30,000. That's it. This is easiest way to VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel.